The new school year is approaching, and most of you are caught between two states. The optimistic student who says, "This year I'll be organized. I'll study from day one. I'll become a legend." And the other student who says, Yeah, let me sleep a little first, then we'll start." The result? Suddenly you find yourself in week 5, and you haven't opened a single page. But here's the real question. How can you start your school year in a way that makes you successful, organized, and proud of yourself without turning into a legend of deep sleep? Today, I'll give you practical steps and small secrets with a huge impact. Are you ready? Let's begin. Point 1. Mindset before tools. Before you think about buying new notebooks or fancy pens, ask yourself, why do I study in the first place? Is it just to pass exams? Or is it to build yourself and your future? Many students start the year thinking studying is just a heavy burden, while in reality, it's long-term training in self-discipline. Here's the question. What would your future look like if you treated studying as an investment in yourself, not just papers and exams? Point 2. Being organized doesn't mean being perfect. There's a common mistake students make. They create the perfect timetable filled with endless hours of studying from morning to night. But can anyone really stick to it? Of course not. The realistic plan is the one that works. Set specific times for studying, resting, and even entertainment. Yes, entertainment is part of the plan, not a betrayal of it. Ask yourself, will your plan help you keep going for a whole year? Or will it collapse after just 1 week? Point 3. Your environment is half your success. How many students tried to study on their beds, only to wake up 3 hours later in a dreamland instead of a battle with their books? Organize your space. Have a tidy desk, proper lighting, and a comfortable chair. Even if you don't have a fancy study room, at least make sure your environment is clean and distraction-free. Think of your room as a battlefield. Would you go to war with your weapons scattered everywhere? Point 4. Manage your time wisely. Time is the true capital of a student. But the question is, how do you spend it? Do you waste it scrolling through your phone, watching TV, and then realizing the day has slipped away with nothing achieved? One of the best methods is the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of full focus, followed by 5 minutes of rest. Repeat this 4 times, then take a longer break. Trust me, with this method you'll achieve more than you ever thought possible. Point 5. Small habits, big results. Don't start with 5 hours of study in one go. Start with just 20 minutes. Build simple habits. A quick review every evening, writing a short summary after each class, or even reading a little before bed. These tiny actions pile up into a mountain of progress by the end of the year. Here's a question. If you stuck to just one small habit every day, what would your academic level look like after 3 months? Point 6. Your friends are your mirror. Be careful. Your social circle has a massive effect on you. Do your friends encourage you, or do they drag you down into laziness and procrastination? A student surrounded by motivated peers naturally becomes more committed. Ask yourself, are my friends pulling me closer to my goals or pushing me away from them? Point 7. Active learning beats blind memorization. Have you ever tried explaining a lesson to a friend, or even to yourself in front of the mirror? You'd be surprised at the mistakes you notice on your own. Real understanding shows up when you can explain, not when you simply memorize. Remember, you're not a parrot. You're a brain capable of analyzing and teaching. Point 8. Track your progress. Don't compare yourself to others. Maybe your classmate finishes homework in 30 minutes while you take an hour and a half. So what? Don't let comparison destroy you. Just ask yourself, am I better today than I was yesterday? If the answer is yes, then you're on the right track. Point 9. Your health is your fuel. You can't study well if you're exhausted, hungry, or sleep-deprived. Your brain needs fuel, and your body needs energy. Proper sleep and healthy food are not luxuries. They're essential parts of your study plan. So let me ask you, do you take care of your body as much as you take care of your books? Point 10. Small rewards matter. Reward yourself after finishing tasks. Done with your homework? Watch a short video. Finished your daily study goal? Hang out with friends. The brain loves rewards, and these small tricks keep you motivated and consistent. So, starting your academic season doesn't require a miracle. It only requires a clear mindset, a flexible plan, small, consistent habits, and an organized space that makes you feel ready. Success doesn't come all at once. It comes step by step, and today is the best day to begin. Now, my question to you: which type are you? Someone who starts out enthusiastically and quickly collapses? Or someone who moves slowly but finishes the school year strong? Share your answers with us in the comments. Let's see who are the warriors and who are the bedfellows. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Why? Because this channel's content is like caffeine. It keeps you awake, motivated, and ready not just to tackle any school year, but to tackle life's challenges in general.